Welcome to step number 4, configure push, select Salesforce object, and then specify action update. So in the last video, I showed you how to do a get, and we brought some data back, okay? But as I said, just because you can get the data doesn't mean you can update the data at the same time. So to do the update, you need to specify the update, and in this video, we are going to do just that. So back in my form builder here, there are two things we're going to do. We're going to specify our action and we're going to select our object. So to write data back to Salesforce, you will need to click on Form, Salesforce Integration, click Push. Now add object. At this point, form title is okay, which object would you like to update? I'm going to say contact. And you must add comment. I know it's not a mandatory field, but I would highly recommend that you add comment every single time on what that's doing. So I'm going to say update contact GDPR details. Okay. In my action, instead of create, I'm going to choose update. Okay. And I'm going to briefly run through this, what these are, and I will add the links right at the end of the last page so you can check out what each of these mean. So, for example, if I was to say email equals Joe Blogs, and there are 5 Joe Blogs in my Salesforce org, Form Titan is going to ask you, if I find multiple Joe Blogs, which one do you want me to update? Will it be the first? Will it be the last Joe Blogs? Do you want to update all of them? Or do you want to skip this and create instead? If not found any match, Form Titan is going to ask you, do you want to skip or do you want to create? And this means that if, for example, I have got, I've put in an email at the moment, I see my email field and I take out that email, however, there is an email in Salesforce. So if the field on the form is empty, if you check this, it will not override your Salesforce field, which does have value in it. And then validate fields is, I'm sure you've checked that on the last form anyway. Okay, so we've chosen our object contact, select an action update, and that's it. That's all we have to do for now. We don't have to worry about this at the moment because we are using contact ID and that's always unique anyway. So that sort of doesn't really matter for now. However, what does matter is if not found any match, what do you want to do? I'll say, you know what, if not found any match, don't worry, I'll just skip the entire query. That's it. And that's about it for this video. Come to push, select an object, select an action as an update, and then click apply. However, you can't click apply because you need to set condition. So in the next video, I will show you how to set a condition.